Looking for a simple way to convert multiple audio files into different formats without compromising sound quality? Introducing SysTools Audio Converter Tool. All-in-one audio converter to batch convert files into multiple formats with advanced sound settings. Key features of the software. Batch audio conversion. Convert multiple audio files at once into your desired format, saving time and effort. Add files or folder option. Easily add individual audio files or entire folders for conversion in one go. Advanced sound settings. Customize bitrate, sample rate, and audio channels for precise control over output quality. Multiple output formats. Supports a wide range of popular audio formats like MP3, WAV, M4A, AAC, FLAC, and more. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Audio Converter. Click the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. You'll see a simple and intuitive interface. You'll see two options to import your audio files. Add files and in-folder option. Add files. Use this option to browse and select one or more individual audio files from your system. Add folder. Choose this to import an entire folder that contains multiple audio files. This is especially useful when working with a large collection. Click on either option depending on your need. Once selected, the chosen audio files will be listed in the main panel of the software. To remove unwanted files, select the file and click Remove or use Remove All to clear the entire list. Once you're satisfied with the selected files, click the Next button to proceed to the next step. In the Export Format section, select your desired audio format from the drop-down list. Popular options include MP3, WAV, M4A, AAC, FLAC, and more. Choose the one that best fits your device compatibility or project needs. Next, move to the Advanced Settings section to fine-tune the audio output. Audio bitrate option. Choose between low, medium, or high quality depending on your preference. Channel. Pick between mono, joint stereo, or stereo output. Sample rate. Select the appropriate value based on whether you want compressed audio or CD quality sound. Volume control. You can also check the volume box to adjust the output volume level manually. These settings help you balance sound quality and file size to match your needs. Click on the Change button beside the Destination Path field. Choose where you want your converted files to be saved. This gives you the flexibility to organize your output in any desired folder. Once everything is set, hit the Export button. The tool will now begin processing your files one by one. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message. Click the OK. After conversion is complete, click on View Report button to directly access your newly converted audio files. You'll find them organized and saved in the format and quality settings you chose earlier. And that's it. That's how simple it is to convert and customize your audio files with complete control over quality, format, and destination. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.